This is Professor Shailesh Devidachanandu from BCom Computer Application, GS College of Commerce, Warda. Today's topic is types of series. To calculate any type of central tendency, dispersion or any type of calculation, we need a series. And we have three types of series, that is simple series, discrete series and continuous series. When the data and observations are available in the random values or in the form of random values, that time that series is called as a simple series. Just like on board we have different values are available in a sequential or randomly orderly values which are available as a mark or values or price. Any type of values can be represented in the form of observation, and that observation is called as a simple series. It means it doesn't have any order or chronological order or any type of ascending or descending order. It will scattered in the manner or in the value in the form of values. So this type of values or series is called as a simple series. And when the data is available in the form of the observation as well as its frequency. Frequency means fashion of a value, means a number which is repeated in a series. How many times it repeats in a series is called as a fashion, and that fashion is also called as a frequency. Just like in this example, we have 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 60 are repeated. So it means if we write the 60 element is available in the series 4 times. So 60 is observation and 4 is its fashion, and that fashion is called as a frequency. So when the observation and its fashion is available in the example, that time it is called as a discrete series. Just like 10, 20, 30, and its fashion is 5, 3, 2. So this is called as a discrete series. Observation and the frequency or fashion available in the series is called as a discrete series. Next is a continuous series. When the data and observations are available in the form of groups, just like 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and its fashion or frequency is also available, just like 5 to 10. How many elements are comes in a 5 and 10? That element or fashion is called as its frequency. Just like if we have 5 to 10 values are 3 times, 10 to 20 numbers or between 10 to 20 numbers consider as 10, it means the group of values have the frequency 10. 20 to 30, just like 5. So in this form of series is called as a continuous series. So we have three types of series, that is simple when the observations are in a scattered manner. Second one is a discrete when we have a observation and the fashion means its frequency are available. Then that time it is called as a discrete series. And continuous series when the observations are in the form of groups are called as a continuous. Continuous series has again differentiate in two ways, inclusive series and exclusive series. We discuss it later in the example. Okay. So firstly we have the simple series on board, just like some values are available. That series or this simple series can be converted into discrete series. To convert into it into the discrete series, we should follow some rules or steps. That is, number 1, the example is given. Number 2, arrange in ascending order. Means this observation should be arranged in a ascending order. So from ascending order we should start from lowest to highest. The lowest value from the group or from the example or simple series is 10. So 10 is first number. Next lowest value is 25. Next one again 25. Then 30. We have only one 30. Then 35. Again 35. Then 40. We have first 40, second 40, third 40. Then we have again 30. After that 45. Again 45, 50, 55. We have 255, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. After that 60, 2 times 60, 65, and last one 75. We have one again 60 and 75. We have again 60. So this way we arrange the data in a ascending order. Means the simple series should be arranged in a ascending order to convert the simple series into discrete series. After that, arrange in a discrete series. For that, number 3, prepare bar table. Prepare bar table. So we have size, bar and frequency. So first value is 10, one time available. Again 25, we have 1 and 2. 30, we have 2 fashion. 35, again 2 times. 40, 40 is 3 times available in a series. 45, 2 times. 50, 1 time. 55, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 60, 4 times. 65, 1 time, and 75, 2 times. Count the frequencies just like 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 1, 2. So the conversion from simple series to discrete series, we have to arrange the data in ascending order, then prepare a bar table. On the bar table, on the basis of bar table, we get a frequency. Now we get a simple series converted into a discrete. We convert the simple series into continuous series. Okay, we have the simple series, means data or observations are in the form scattered manner. Okay, To convert the simple series into continuous series, we should know the interval. Means the group should be made from the lower limit to the upper limit. So interval for the group is 10. Means difference between L1 means lower limit of group to upper limit of group is 10. Just like we have the values from 110 to highest value is near about 150. Okay, so we should create the portion, or we should create the groups according to interval of 10, and the lower limit and upper limit should be included in it. So the size for the series is, the lowest value is 103 and the highest value is near about 150. So the first group should be 100 to 110. Second group 110 to 120. 120 to 130. 130 to 140. 140 to 150. Okay, the highest element is 150, and 150 to 160. When the lower limit of a group, and difference between the lower limit and upper limit is called as a mid value. Okay, so the difference between both are the 10. Okay, so 100 to 10, 110 to 120, 120, 130, 130, 140, 140, 150, 150, 160. Because we have all the values between these ranges. Okay, so 110 is a upper limit of first group. It should be the lower limit of second group. This type of continuous series is called as an exclusive series. Means the 110 is not included in first group, but it is included in the second group, because the lowest value of second group is 110. And this type of series, when upper limit of first group is the lower limit of second group, is called as a exclusive series. When this is not same, that type of series is called as a inclusive series. Okay, so again we should create a bar and then calculate the frequency. So the first value is 110. 110 is the group we have 100 to 10 and 110 to 120. We discussed earlier that the 110 means upper limit of a group not include the 110 in particular group, but it is included in the next group because it started from the 110. So 110 is included in the second group. So we have a first bar on second group. Next one 128. 128 included in third group, that is 120 to 130, because 120 from the 120 to 129 are included in the 120 to 130 group. So 128 is included in third group, that is 120 to 130. Then 114 is included in 110 to 120. So we have second bar in that group. 133 is included in the fourth group, that is 130 to 140. Next one 103 is included in 100 to 110. Same way 130 is included in fourth group. Again 130, next group. 114 is included in second group. 113 again second group. 128 included in 120 to 130. 113 second group. 103 first group. 115 included in second group. 110 second group. 133 fourth group, 135 fourth group, 128 third group, 115 second group, 149 fifth group, 147 117 is included in second group, 120 is not included in second group but included in third group. Lower limit is included in next group. 110 again second group, 114 second, 103 first, 150 in last group, that is 150 to 160, 128 included in third group, 110 second group, 141 included in fifth group, fifth group, 143 fifth, 120 third, 117 second group, 133 is included in fourth group, and last one 135 is also in a fourth group. Now count the bars in a particular group. So we have the 3 bars in first group, so frequency is 3. In second group 5, 10 plus 3 means 13 observations are included in second group, that is 110 to 120. Next one, third group, 5 plus 1, 6. Next group, 5 plus 2, 7. Next one, 140 to 150, 3. And 150 to 161. Total of number of observations 33. So we have n value, that is called number of observation is 33. Means 33 observations are included in a simple series. That simple series can be converted using the group of interval of 10. The lowest value is 103. So we create a 100 to 110 means 101 to 100 to 109 are included in first group, 110 to 119 are included in second group, 120 to 129 are included in third group. Likewise, we get the frequencies of each group and number of observations which are available in a simple series, that is 33. These 3 types are simple series, discrete series and continuous series is used to calculate central tendency and dispersion. Thank you.